Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC textbook unit exercise 4 question number 3. O is any point inside a triangle ABC. The bisector of angle AOB, BOC and COA meet the sides of AB, BC, CA and in point D, E and F respectively. Show that AD into BE into CF equal DB into EC into FA. Look at this figure. Here the triangle ABC is given. In that D and E and F is here. Here A is angle of bisector of angle A, B is angle of bisector of angle B, that is ABE, like CD is angle of bisector of the angle C. Now in triangle AOB, in triangle AOB, this is a point of intersection is over here. Triangle AOB and OD is the angle of bisector, angle of bisector of angle AOB, angle of bisector of AOB. OD is the angle of bisector of AOB. From that we can see the ratios, because that OD is the bisector. OA over OB equal AD over BD, AD over DB. Now similarly in triangle BOC, OE is OE is the bisector of angle BOC. OE is the angle of bisector of angle BOC. Now we can write the ratio OB over OC equal BU over EC. OB over OC equal BU over EC. Let it be 2, this 1. Similarly in triangle COA and triangle COA, OF is angle of bisector of angle COA. Therefore we can say the ratio OC over OA equal OC over OA equal CF over FA. CF over FA. Then let it be 3. Multiplying 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We will get 1, 2, 3 here. 1 to OA OB equal AD by DB, like OB OC, BE by EC, and OC by OA, CF by FA. The multiplying 1 and 2 and 3, we get OA by OB into OB by OC into OC by OA equal the second right side of that each 1, 2, 3, that is AD by DB, AD by DB into BE by EC into CF by FA. Now look at this: OB OB cut, OA OA cut, OC OC cut. So it becomes 1, which is equal AD AD into BE into CF over DB into EC FA. By cross multiplying, we get DB into EC into FA equal AD into BE into CF. Hence we proved. Hence proved. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.